Have you ever looked around your home and realized you own a bunch of stuff you do not even use yet somehow? You're still thinking about buying more? The truth is, most of us spend money trying to fill our lives with things that do not really make us happy. But what if I told you that living with less could actually help you have more? More money, more peace, and more control over your life. That's what the minimalist lifestyle is all about. Welcome back to Rich Mav, the channel where we help you take control of your money and design a life that's rich in purpose, not just possessions. Today, we are diving into how living a minimalist lifestyle can help you save more and spend less without feeling like you are missing out. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will see that minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about freedom. Let's get into it. Minimalism often gets misunderstood. Some people think it means living in an empty house, owning only one pair of shoes, or saying goodbye to everything you love. But that's not what true minimalism is. It's not about having nothing. It's about being intentional with everything you have. It's choosing what truly adds value to your life and letting go of the rest. And when you start living that way, something incredible happens. Your spending habits change automatically. You stop buying things just because they are on sale or because everyone else has them. You start buying only what you actually need and enjoy. And that's where the savings begin. The first key to saving more through minimalism is understanding what enough really means. We live in a world that constantly tells us we need more. A newer phone, trendier clothes, a bigger apartment. But the more we chase more, the less satisfied we become. When you define what enough means for you, you stop wasting money trying to impress others or fill emotional gaps with stuff. Take a minute to look at your expenses. Are there things you buy just out of habit or social pressure? Maybe it's weekly online shopping, upgrading gadgets you do not need, or keeping up with the latest fashion trends. When you shift your mindset from wanting more to appreciating enough, your spending naturally decreases, and your savings increase without even trying. The second way minimalism helps you save more is by decluttering both physically and financially. Start with your space. Go through your home and look for items you have not used in the past 6 months. If it's not serving you, sell it or donate it. The process of decluttering helps you realize how much you already have and how little you truly need. Now take that same mindset and apply it to your finances. Cancel unused subscriptions, cut unnecessary bills, and simplify your bank accounts or credit cards. The more you declutter your financial life, the easier it becomes to manage your money and stay focused on your goals. The third step in living a minimalist lifestyle is to buy quality over quantity. This one might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out. Minimalism is not about buying the cheapest thing possible. It's about buying better, so you buy less often. When you invest in higher quality items that last longer, you actually save money over time. For example, instead of buying 3 pairs of cheap shoes every year, buy one good pair that will last 3 years. Instead of filling your closet with fast fashion, own a smaller wardrobe of timeless, durable pieces you truly love to wear. When you make intentional purchases, every dollar you spend has purpose, and that's the foundation of smart money management. The fourth principle is to focus on experiences, not possessions. Think about the last thing that made you genuinely happy. Was it something you bought? Or something you did? For most people, the answer is an experience, spending time with friends, traveling, learning something new, or just relaxing without stress. Minimalism teaches you to spend money in ways that enrich your life, not clutter it. Instead of buying another gadget or outfit, use that money to invest in memories. Studies show that experiences bring longer-lasting happiness than material things. And when you focus on what truly matters, you will notice that your spending becomes more meaningful and your life feels lighter. Now, the fifth and final way minimalism helps you save more and spend less is by creating intentional financial goals. When you simplify your lifestyle, you free up money that was once wasted on things that did not matter. But instead of letting that money sit unused, heap a hobe. Create a clear plan for your extra cash, whether that's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, investing, or saving for a future goal. Every dollar you save by living minimally can now serve a bigger purpose. Minimalism gives you direction. Instead of asking, "What can I buy next?" you start asking, "How can I make my money work for me?" Now, let's recap the 5 key ways. A minimalist lifestyle helps you save more and spend less. Understand what enough means for you. Declutter your space and your finances. Buy quality over quantity. Focus on experiences, not possessions. Give your money purpose with clear financial goals. Living a minimalist lifestyle is not about living with nothing. It's about living with intention. It is about aligning your money with your values and freeing yourself from the pressure to keep up with everyone else. And here is the best part. Minimalism does not just save you money. It gives you peace. You spend less time worrying about bills, less energy managing clutter, and more time enjoying what you already have. You create space for clarity, freedom, and financial growth. So if you are tired of feeling overwhelmed by stuff or frustrated by how quickly money disappears, try taking small steps toward minimalism. Start by simplifying one part of your life, maybe your closet, your budget, or even your digital subscriptions. You will be amazed how much lighter and more in control you feel. Remember, wealth is not about having everything. It's about appreciating what you already have and making smart, intentional choices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Rich Map for more weekly videos on saving money, budgeting, and building financial freedom. Turn on the notification bell so you do not miss out on new tips that can change your financial life. Comment below and tell me what's one area of your life you want to simplify starting today. Let's build a community that's rich in purpose, not just possessions. Thanks for watching Rich Map, where we help you live smarter, save more, and spend with intention. Until next time, keep things simple and watch how your money grows.